How to sign in Booking.com account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to sign in into Booking.com account. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch any web browser on your device. Navigate to search bar, type in Booking.com and hit enter on your keyboard. Now you will land on the official interface of Booking.com. Navigate to sign in button at the upper right corner of your screen. Now you can easily sign in or create an account using Google, Apple ID, Facebook or email. Enter your email address, click continue with email, enter your password and follow on the screen prompts. Then you will successfully log in into Booking.com account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.